Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to do a little video of for the car. We basically got a shift knob and a new shift boot for the G35. We're going to meet up with Nell later today, and we're going to hook that up. And we're going we might do something else with the car. I do got the little piece for the seat. We'll see if we can get that today. If not, that'll be its own separate video. But that's what's going on today. So stay tuned, and we'll get right to it. All right.
Being a little coupe safe, you know what I mean? Which we are anyway, so it doesn't even matter.
Exactly. All right, guys. So we're here today. I'm here with Nell, and we're going to actually put the shift knob and the boot in. So first time me doing it on this car. We both doing it on this car. This is the G35, of course. So we're just gonna kind of go in here and try to figure out how we take this apart. So you basically want to pull it from right here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Pull it up. But you want to take that shift knob off first, though.
See, mine, see, my car, mine's is different because I'm thinking I didn't know that with these, I guess it's coming as one whole piece. Like, I mean, I know probably most likely you can replace just
the knob,
the knob, but
yeah,
this one is. This setup for this G35 is different, especially for you know, me working on the cars that are.
So it should be a wire towards the back.
American cars, yeah.
That's kind of like.
There's one here.
I wonder if we can just lift this up.
Well, no, hold on one second. Let me.
Oh, no,
this part's got to be detached.
I might gotta move this gear back. Put it back. There you go. Now see if we can. It's out the way.
Yeah. See right here. Right now, you got change in here, bro?
Probably.
Well, it would have been nice to probably.
Oh, the guy before me had changed.
Oh, the guy before you had changed.
I really didn't get a chance to clean this car out.
Yeah, so I see.
There might be some secret gems in there. Right, put it right here.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Alright, so.
Get some light on there a little bit. So this one we got to detach from here.
Yeah, so you kind of test.
Now we got to remember that's gonna go back here.
Yeah.
But this one's pretty simple, so
yeah,
you know it ain't like we dealing with a lot here. Actually, but you know what though, we probably could
like putting the square hole.
We could probably just leave this.
Yeah, cause we just working
just
right
the way
here.
It is. So you know what?
Pull it to the side.
Yeah, I'm put this right back in here. We ain't gotta
detach all that.
Yeah, we ain't gotta detach all that. We
working on
always used to detaching. I'm so used to detaching everything.
But we do gotta take this off. So
yeah, I know.
We change the shift boot. So, all right, how it was in the G37 basically is that you gotta unscrew these.
All right, give me.
So let's get a.
Where's the box at? Right here.
It's in the bag.
Yeah.
Look at that gray bag, the gray pouch.
Oh, we got a flathead. Okay. Where you at, Phillips? Talk to me. Here we go. Alright. Oh, not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright.
This is unscrewing on. I know it's like something from the manufacturer. It's like they kind of like melt the plastic and you gotta kind of pop them off.
Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, we need something to put these little, cause these.
Come in there.
There's no holes going in here, right?
Nah.
Because these little Jones are slick as you know what. Like they get away from you quick.
Definitely, man. Don't lose your hardware, guys, because you'll have a rough night.
A rough night.
You'll be zip tying it up.
Yeah, see what I mean? Now this is the part where you gotta take the gloves off a little bit. Alright? Because Because these little drones are so tiny. These little screws are so fucking tiny. I don't know, maybe y'all can do it a different way, but I find this way to be a little bit more comfortable, just to rest it on my leg here. Like, you see how you have to like really grip it in there for the first couple turns? And then you just gotta use your finger.
Yeah, this is.
Was this like on the G35? Was it?
Yeah, I had my other screwdriver set, so I had lots of other screwdrivers.
Yeah, because just to let y'all know, the smaller screwdrivers are a lot better to get into these little Phillips heads, man.
So I think it's 2 screws right here.
Did I miss one?
Are they part of them?
Yeah, they are. I missed that. Matter of fact, I didn't even count those. I'm good you sitting on that side because I wouldn't have seen it.
Yeah. 2 heads better than 1.
Yeah, we're going to try not to say that too much.
We'll do it all again just for you.
Alright, so now you can put this to the side. And now you gotta separate them 2 pieces.
Maybe I should have put a blanket on too, huh? These 2 pieces?
No. This, right here. Right here. You gotta separate.
Oh, okay.
This, so.
This thing is
Like
disgusting.
mine. So basically.
No, I think it goes this.
It's
These
stuck
snap out?
It's stuck in between these. It's snapped in between these 2 pieces.
Yeah, but these 2 is what's being. It has to be divided, right?
Right.
These 2.
So how are they snapped in?
No. Make sure I'm going the right way. So I'm guessing.
Oh.
This will go this way. This will go this way, alright? Yeah, see, I don't want to put too much.
Yeah, you see?
I see it right here, see? Where
Okay.
it's this part here?
Yeah. Now, that might be a situation. These pop in. Okay, hold up.
From my death, I would dare take a breath for you. They could burn me alive.
Alright, so that is some reconnaissance. We kind of figure out that you got to kind of jam the screwdriver inside.
Okay.
And
So
then-
notice when I stuck the flathead screwdriver through this crevice right here, notice how this popped in.
Popped in, yeah.
See how these are still out? These are still out. This one popped in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep going this way
Just work it around.
to see if it's gonna do the same thing all the way around. I don't want to try to put too much force on it, but you see 1 and 2 are already retracted and recessed back. So I'm just gonna keep going around on it without not too much force because I don't want to break the. Okay, and I'm noticing as I go around it's getting easier, so look forward to that. And I can see right here, looks like, I don't know if you messed with this before. It's right here. Okay. There we go.
Alright, voila.
So that detaches itself right there.
Alright, so now we can take the boot off. But what we want to do is, you want to mind how these are in.
Right.
So you basically gonna mimic this.
Right.
When we put that in.
But we still gotta
Well, let's take this off. We can take it off.
yeah.
So it should be the felt that's holding it on around the edge.
You're right.
I think this is the manufacturer's shift boot, so it's probably a little sticky from the glue they put on there when they did it.
Which again, manufacturers don't like us doing this, but guess what? It's a brave new world, and we're gonna be taking stuff apart.
I could lose all sight till it's permanent.
That's cool. So we're gonna take. Now what you gonna do? What you gonna take? It's really supposed to be a zip tie around there for the manufacturer, but I got a feeling he did this already.
Yeah, I got a feeling too. That's what I was saying. Because even this, it looked like he was, you know, he messed with this a couple times. Look at that.
Yeah. So
it's like he was trying to take it off without really seeing how to take it off.
So it made the job a little bit easier for us to do this, so it's cool. So you probably get that the needle nose in that back, way back. So if you can see, it's supposed to be a zip tie around this. The person that did it last put like a piece of metal wire and just kind of twisted it. What's worse, put it in, you just want to secure it. So this, because this is going, yeah, that's exactly what you need. So, you know, this is going to stop it from keeping the actual boot in position around underneath the shift knob itself.
Yeah, boy, he did a good job on this one. I can see it right now. He wedged it in there.
If you're asking me why, then my only reply is too strong. No chains could tame my glory, not even the grave is born. When it's faded, writes a story, they could erase the dawn and lay a million miles between us. I still find my way back home, like so few. I feel like I've known you for forever and a day. Yeah, so one lifetime is merely an obstacle in the way. Yeah, even with nightmares lived and the hell I'm living through. Yeah, I would do it all again just for you. They could tear through my flesh, through my tear from my jet, from my dead, take a breath.
There you go. So we're gonna hold on to this because we just gotta mimic these holes in the new shift boot so it can line up inside the plastic circular thing to go back into this spot. There you go. So let's go get this. So not always easy, but you know, innovation is always the trick. Okay. So
nuts in my back and stakes in my heart. I've been under attack and confined by force. It's true. It's true.
alright, so this is about some of these gonna slip out. You said this way, right?
Yeah, because all that should be able to just pop right in as it should, you know.
Yeah. It's probably just be working around.
Yeah, because once they pop in, they lock themselves into that hole. So. Well, you're gonna have to fight it a little bit more because of the fabric. Yeah.
This kind of came out.
Because once they lock in, and I mean, you're straight. There it go. That's always the good sign right there to snap. I know.
So what was the last one?
I know. Ah! And here we are, people. Did it come back out? Pause. Sorry, YouTube. My bad.
Asking me why, then my only reply is you. They can tear through my flesh and cheer for my death. I would dare take a breath for you. They could burn me alive.
I wonder if we can still get on there.
Take this.
Would that matter that much? Like, can we still put the screws in? Cause I think the screw in probably pinch it. Yeah, I think it would, bro.
Well, here's the problem with that, okay? Is when we're gonna get in the other situation now. If we do it that way, these are gonna fight to screw down.
That's what I'm trying to say right now. Right now, they all line up.
Because that last one, it's pretty much in, right?
Yeah.
It's just not locking, right?
It's not locking. So these are like they lining up. I think the screws will pinch it enough where it'll work.
Oh.
I might not even gotta trim it because it's hiding it in there.
Right. So you know what? Let's try it.
Let's try it. Wanna do that, bro?
Let's try it.
Let's give it a whirl. I could lose all sight till it's firm in the night. I would still see the light of you. To the heavens I cry. If you're asking me why, then my only reply is you.
Might be. See, this is not working like this for some reason. What it is I think these threads. See how they go so deep. The threads are recessed in. They're all the way recessed in, like all the way down. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, I'm gonna take this one, screw this down, then I'm gonna take this one here. Wait a minute, that's the one that don't fit. That's why they send you probably 3 to see, you know, which one fits. So I'm gonna double this thread up. What I think it is that this thread doesn't catch on to this rod right here. But it might catch on to this if I double this up. So I'm gonna see if this shit works.
Dare take a breath for you. They could burn me alive and turn my insides. I would learn to survive for you.
I wish this can go down a little bit more, but let's test the theory.
I'm gonna get another shift knob.
Yeah. See? So that's tight. So both of them had to go on there. I'm not gonna make this super tight.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
But you guys see what I just did? I doubled it up. Because this here would not go on the regular ride. See? How's it feel to you?
Good.
Right? Feel good?
Yeah.
Pause. Alright, so how does the see if you can go down. Okay, so you got reverse, right?
Let's see. Yep.
Alright, so you got reverse, that's good. Got first, right?
Yep.
Alright. So there we go. That's how we do that. And until next time, y'all be safe.